Welcome back to 2-Minute How-To. I'm going to show you 5 tips on installing a tile floor. Little things that'll just help your job go a little bit smoother. Let's get right to it. Tip number 1, leave a little bit of space whenever you're mortaring up to the other row of tile that you've already put down. That's going to help with mortar oozing up into your grout joint and making a huge mess. Tip number 2, set your tile right and keep it up off the mortar. Set it right next to the other tile like that. Drop it into place. And then slide it out. A lot of people want to set that tile down right here and push it up to it. And what that does is that pushes all the mortar in, comes up out of the grout joint, and you have a huge mess. Tip number 3. I always stack my spacers like this. Okay, I'm going to tell you what that does. I'm putting your spacers straight up and down. What that's going to do is that's going to make it on the next day very, very easy to pick up, to clean up, to get ready to grout. Tip number 4. Always, see, we've got a big room here. I don't know how long it's going to be before I get back to right in here. So always run your trowel along it, getting up all the excess. It's going to make for a lot cleaner job if you do this. And tip number 5. So for the sake of the video, let's say you get mortar that comes up into your grout joint. And I'm going to just give you a little demonstration of what I'm talking about. Set your tile down a little bit too quick and you leave too big of a gap and you push it up. Okay, a lot of people do this. And you get a little bit of mortar that comes up into your crack of grout joint. What you're going to want to do, clean this out. Immediately always have a sponge handy when you're laying tile. A lot of people don't do that. Any mortar you get up in the crack, you want to get out immediately. That is going to save you a lot of time the next day whenever you come back and get ready to grout. So that is my 5 quick and easy tips on laying tile. I hope these helped. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.